Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to essentially replace the body panels on a Porsche remote. So this is essentially for like any Porsche that has this style key. When you kind of look at it from the side, the Caymans have this rear trunk button and then the front button, but all the rest I think will just have like the lock, unlock, and then just like the main trunk. But these keys are exactly the same on all Porsches where they look similar to this. The newer ones, they changed it up a bit, but if yours looks like this, the body panels will be exactly the same. So, as you can see right here, I actually got these kind of like race scheme ones, and these actually came from like the new Porsche Cayman GT4s, which is right here on the screen, which I absolutely love this design, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I found these, I think they're on Amazon, about 20 bucks, maybe like 22. They have a golf livery one, a couple others, which look beautiful. But my remote, I kind of dropped it a few times, so you can see like there's like little nicks and chips. So definitely replacing this so it looks a lot better. It looks super cool, and it kind of matches the race livery. And it's kind of like also like its own little race livery, and my car has a race livery. But to start off, I'm going to, there's this little lever here. You're just going to slide that over and then push up, and the little key comes out. And then to replace the battery, you push it into that slot about halfway, and you just lift it straight up towards you, and there's the battery. So if you need to replace the battery, it's that simple. But for replacing the body panels, you don't need to do that. You just leave that right back on there. To make it a little bit easier, I'm going to take out this little set screw. I'm going to pull a little keychain mount out of there. So then you can kind of see there's this little hole. Lighting's kind of interesting. There we go. So you can see a little hole. So I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to stick it in there and just lift up a little bit. And this will essentially pop out the middle trim piece. All right, so like there we go. Just going to work it there a little bit. Now that it's kind of coming up, I can just use my fingers to essentially pry up the rest of this. And then the middle buttons usually will come up with it. So there we go. And then the buttons you can just kind of push out and just set aside. And as you see, that's the remote. And then for these side panels, makes it a little bit easier because you can see the upper edge of it sticking out. But you're going to start from the back, and you're going to get your nail kind of in there, and then it just pops out, and then the whole panel just comes right off. So it's that easy to take off each panel. Just like that. And then for the new panels, I'm going to start with the side. You always want to put the front in first. So, and you can actually go in here and you can clean it up a bit. A lot of times there's some gunk that'll kind of build up in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the front. And as you can see, there's this little tiny yellow notch that sticks out. That little notch will hook into a little tiny kind of hole right there. So you'll just take that, line it up, get the front in, and then you push the back in place. Just like that, the side is hooked into place. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Hook in the front, just snaps into place. And then for this section, you want to put your kind of buttons right back in there. They'll just kind of sit in place for now. And then you'll hook it from the front, and then you'll just carefully kind of work it back to the back of the remote. Just like that, that's in place. This looks so amazing. Like, I can't believe how good this looks. I just can't get over this. That looks so cool. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put the little keychain thing back in. So just slide it right back into that little hole in the back. And then I take my little set screw. Just going to put the little screw right back in there. All right, so now it's tight. So go ahead and take the little key and push it right back into the remote. Just like that. And just like that, now I have a beautiful Porsche race livery on my key fob. This looks absolutely insane, and Yeah, I just really love this. So like I said before, like this is the Cayman GT4 race livery, which looks so cool. If you guys have any questions, definitely put it down in the comments below. And if you guys like this video and it helped you out, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button. I can do a bunch of Porsche how-to videos and pretty much a lot of other stuff. So definitely let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try to show it off. But like I said, this looks absolutely amazing. But as always, thank you for watching.